that will conclude our presentation for the day. Before you guys leave, I would like to invite our industry to look at the projects around this room. I know we have a few minutes here. You also, in front of you have the binder of all the aspects of this project, so please take a few seconds to look at them. And I need you guys, before you leave, to, if I can grab yours, to leave me this sheet for evaluation. I believe we have 4 students are still available for you guys to hire. So if you want to contact them, a lot of people is raising his hand here. If anybody wants to guys hire those guys, we'll take the highest bid here for hiring those young fellas. And before I let you guys go, I want to tell you that Dunwoody is moving into the semester system. Starting next year, we will have, for the first time since I've been here 10 years, we will be having only 2 presentations, one industrial and one commercial, and we will not have a residential presentation like we have done in the past. So we'll be inviting you twice. I want to show you, I know some of you guys were in our PAC committee and you looked at how we changed the program, and the PAC have, for the most part, is okay with the way we shifted the program. But I want to take a minute, since I have you guys here, and just very quick, show you a sheet that I can email to any one of you. The way we designed the program. This is a sheet, an Excel sheet, that compare the 2 programs in the core system to the semester system, class per class. If you guys are interested, I can shoot you this in an email. And how we did the conversion from 6 quarters into 4 semesters. So the piece continued to be 2 years, but we were moving 6 quarters into 4 semesters. So we have to do. Like I talked to many of you guys, I assured our PAC committee that nothing will change in the way we change. The 2 major projects will continue to be the same. The only thing we did is we shrunk the residential because there isn't a lot of demand for residential design. So we shrunk it into 6 weeks, and we took another 6 weeks to focus more into estimating and project management. So we get a little bit deeper into estimating and project management, since the name of the program is Electrical Construction Design and Management. So we took 6 weeks. It will be strictly teaching AccuBid. We got a license to teach AccuBid finally. So we're going to be doing AccuBid and McCormick, 2 estimating softwares, and we will be doing project management from a construction point of view and design point of view. So that's what's coming. And the last thing I want to also show you, if you know what you are doing, because we're not busy enough. For the last 2 years, your friend Chad have been putting all our presentation, including this presentation today, are recorded via the computer and are on YouTube. So up to date, we have 339 presentations, ECDM presentation on YouTube for a total of 500 hours. So I trust that all of you guys are going to go there and watch all of them. So everything that we do is on YouTube. I encourage you guys to go look there, especially our industry guests, and criticize us, correct us. This is everything that goes into the classroom, from estimating into project management, to the design, into CAD, into everything. Right into YouTube, open to the public. There's a lot of people who give us feedback, guys. I hope all of you will jump in and look at it. Including this presentation that we're doing, and my voice right now will be recorded, and tonight it will be on this site. To go there, you have to go to Chad Kearney YouTube, and you'll find all the stuff in there. So that's I wanted to share with you, that little thing here. And with this, let's see here, take us back into our presentations. Okay, any comments, any question for us, guys? I would like you one more time, because I think some people came late to the presentations. So I would like you one more time, guys, for our industry guests to introduce themselves one more time, maybe, because some of us came last. Let's try.
Geiger, Rashad Cooley Erickson.
Yep.
Joel Lamella, Hallberg Engineering.
Greg Lecker, Rashad Cooley Erickson.
Phil Orson, Rashad Cooley Erickson.
Kathy Foldesy, Viking Electric.
Ron Kurtz, Hunt Electric. Nick Verbo, Hallberg Engineering.
Austin Wagner, Ace Electric. Mark Bell, Egan Company.
Russ Peterson, I work for Chad on residential.
Thank you. And Ben?
Ben Granley with Warner Electric Supply.
Have we missed anybody? Okay. I would like to invite you guys, if you have time, to take you, our guests, for lunch today. And mingle around with the students, and we have this room for another hour, so you can stay as long as you want.
One question, and we're involved with the next project, industrial project.
You know, I'm just wondering, is it reasonable for folks who worked on this project, is it reasonable in our narrative to say that we want 100% Revit? Is that a reasonable demand, or is that asking too much for that project?
I think it's a reasonable demand from knowing what we have done in Revit. It might be a little bit of challenge, the schedules.
Okay.
We had the problem with the mechanical schedule, doing it completely in Revit and pulling it from the families that we have. But I think we can, we've done it though. I had students the last 2 years, they did really good schedules on mechanical schedule in Revit. And lighting schedule could be, the schedules would be a little bit challenged. But
I think
with
we'll
the-
ask for it and use your judgment. If it gets to be a roadblock, then you can
Okay.
allow someone to work in AutoCAD. But I think we'll ask for it, and we may, maybe this is extra credit, we may want some modeling of some of the work that we've done.
Okay.
And, you know, again, depending on your timing and what data we have done, if someone tackle that, I think we'll throw that in.
Absolutely. The riser, I don't know if you guys mentioned, the riser that Chris showed is built on Revit. This riser is basically taking snapshot at the actual panels and connecting them with wires. What we've done in the past, we connect them with actual pipe, and there was a little bit of mingling around, bringing pipe to it. I guess we can open it to the students to do it with pipe, actual pipe. But right now, the one that you looked at is actually built to Revit. So if you go in Revit in 3D and move one panel, your riser will be messed up. So the way it goes. Any comments, any questions, guys, before we close it for mingling around? No? Thank you, everybody.